Meaning of harbor.
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 Harbor. The term harbor is typically used to refer to a body of water, such as a natural bay or an artificial basin, that is protected and sheltered from the open sea. Harbors are generally used for docking, loading, and unloading of ships, and for storage of cargo. They also serve as a safe haven for boats during storms and high winds. A harbor can be a key hub for trade and transportation, connecting regions and facilitating economic growth. Overall, harbors play a crucial role in global commerce and the movement of goods.